This is the control track view window video. Let's go up to view, go down to control track, and open her up. Here's the control track window. And what is the control track used for? I'll take it from the manual on this one. The control track at the bottom of the multitrack can be used to hold control entries that can influence the multitrack play and record functions, and also send MIDI commands to external devices. Control entries are displayed as vertical colored lines on the control track. Left-clicking the control track label displays the control track view window. Okay, what does all that mean? Basically, the control track is used to, in the real world, what would it be used for? Oh, say there's a play and you have SawStudio, all the music and everything is on SawStudio, and you could use the control track to operate, turn on lights, turn off lights, do various things with MIDI devices, or you could have those MIDI devices turn SawStudio on and off at certain times, stuff like that. I personally don't use the control track because I'm not into, I have really no need for it. But you may, and if you do, I'm not going to go into depth about running this because I really don't have the equipment to do it, but I'm going to show you the window and get you familiar with it. And if you need the control track, you'll understand all this stuff, and you can read up on it a little, and you'll see it's super easy to run. But right here, built-in commands, you got all these commands that are right there built in. All you got to do is click on one, and a dialog box opens up. You can, if it's yellow, see these two yellow, where it's yellow, if you left click in it, you can rename it. If you left click there, you can get choose a MIDI note to trigger something. You just press OK, and there it is. I'll press delete, select it, delete, gets rid of it. Here you have custom commands, add current selection to a custom list and rename it whatever you want. And of course that. And here if you click in the blue diamond there, you have these choices. Okay, let me show you. I'm going to use the control track once here for you, show you. Here's the control track at the bottom of the multi-track. I'm select here. What's going on here? Oh, there we go. Let's go at the top. There we go. And I'm gonna right here, I want the music to stop. I just want it to stop. So stop playback. I can name it whatever I want. I'll name it stop here. And I press OK. And it stop here. Go right here, press the music. It stopped. There's a control track. A demonstration of it. But I mean, it is that easy. If you need the control track, it's there for you. And of course, the control track on the multi-track is all the way at the bottom. And I believe if you left click right there inside that control, it opens up the dialog box. I'm left clicking. It opens it up right there. And you can put it right down where you want it. But that's the control track video. If you need it, I suggest you read into the help files a little more, but it's extremely easy to use.